This is a guide on how you can add roles to your Discord server. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Okay, in a server, one of the most important parts is the roles of a server, which makes it interesting for the members. So, if you're wondering how you can create roles, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the three dots after your server's name. This menu will pop up. Click on settings and scroll down a bit. And in the end, you'll see the option that says roles. Click on this. The server roles tab will open. Now, these are all the roles that your server has. This CarlBot role was created by the bot itself. Okay. So, if you want to create a new role, click on the plus icon on the top right. As you can see, that's the button. Now, name your role. Let's say I want the role to be moderators. Okay. You'll need moderators in your server if it's public to moderate the chat. After that, you can choose the color that you want this role to be. I'll choose black. You can just move the slider and choose the color that you want to choose. And I'm gonna pick black. Okay. Click on select and click on create once you're done. After that, you can choose to change the cosmetic of your role or to add it to some members, or you can choose the moderator, choose the manager, etc. I'm gonna skip this. I'm not gonna do that. Now you can choose the members that you want to give this role to. Let's say I want to give this role to Adam, which is me, which is my account. And, uh, and you're gonna click on this. You can choose multiple members at a time. We only have two, so I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on these two and click on finish, and that's it. You're gonna go back. You're gonna click on my profile or the person you have added this role to. As you can see, the role moderator has been added to Adam, and you just created a role. You can add as many roles as you want. Okay, there's no limit. So yeah, that's how you create a role on your Discord server.